Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install UFC 5 on PC fast and updated version. So first is you're going to check your system requirements. Just make sure that your PC meets the minimum specs, the GPU, CPU, and RAM. Now from here, you're going to choose a legitimate platform. You can buy from EA, Steam, or the official publisher. So you're just going to head over to, for example, if you want to download from EA, you're going to head over to ea.com/games/UFC/UFC-5. Now from there, you're going to click or scroll down first until you see this buy now button. You're going to have to click on buy now, and then from there, it's going to ask you to check out. You're going to click on select platform right here. You're going to do that, and then you're going to check if you want to continue through Xbox Store or you want to continue to PlayStation Store. Now, if ever it doesn't work, you're just going to head back to it, and then again, you're going to click on that, and then you can try the other one. Now, if you can't find the PC option, what you're going to do is you're going to head back to the UFC 5 page. We're just going to go back to our search, and then from there you will see other means to download this. So for example, you want to download through the Softonic one, so you're going to click on UFC 5 download from the Softonic, and then from here you will see this download for Windows. Now what you're going to do, we're just going to click on download for Windows, and then we're going to wait for this to finish. So you're just going to click no thanks, I will continue downloading UFC 5 from here, and then from there it should start downloading on your PC. And once you see this, your download from the external website has started, you can now start waiting for the download to be finished. Now, you're going to have to monitor the download and updates. The game may download updates or patches, let it fully finish. Now, after that, you're just going to launch and configure the app. Just launch the game and then set your graphics settings and controls. Tip is you can use a wired internet connection for faster download speeds. You can also make sure your GPU drivers are updated beforehand. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the